But SP, yun pong answer po ni VP, pati po yung magiging answer ng PROSEC.
Reply ng PROSEC.
Yung reply ng PROSEC, mare-resolve or matatakel po ba siya ng impeachment court kapag ka-trial lang? Or paano po ba yung proseso?
Hindi ko maintindihan yung tanong.
Matatakel po yon during trial only.
Pag nag-resume na yung court, that will not be tackled by the Senate sitting as a Senate.
So nawala.
It can only be tackled by the impeachment court.
Ibig pong sabihin, kailangan ma-open po muna yung trial, yung paglilitis mismo, bago po yun...
Bukas na siya, constituted and convened na ang impeachment court. Lahat ng magaganap sa impeachment court, bahagi na yun ang tinatawag nating trial kapag ka nag-appear na yung mga parties. So kung ang pinagdidebatihan man nila ay yung reply, yung answer, o kung ano man, bahagi na ng paglilitis yun.
SP isa lang. Nandun pa rin kami dun sa pag-reconvene. Kung wala pang PROSEC sa 29, pero may kailangan kayong pag-usapan, pwede kayo mag-convene.
Pwede. Motu proprio. On our own. Yes, Milo. Walang reply si VP. Answer yung binigay ni VP. Answer ad cautelam.
Considered as motion, sir, yun, for dismissal? Or
Hindi ko pa nababasa actually. Kayo lang yung nagtanong kanina eh. Na hindi ko pa nababasa yung answer dahil ng isang araw pa lamang yon. Kabibigay lang sa akin kanina. Mahigit 200 pages kasi kasama yung annex eh. Babasahin ko pa lang mamaya. I'm sorry?
At yung based on the news report, sir, may ganong ano.
Kaya hindi ko pa nababasa. Kung meron man, the impeachment court will decide on that when we convene. Again, whether to decide on it or to set it aside for a later date.
Pero automatic siya, sir, na you have to discuss it since may ganong request for dismissal. O kailangan may mag-motion.
Someone has to bring it up. Binring up naman na sa answer eh. So I presume her lawyers will do that. Hindi para sa akin, Milo, na pagsabihan yung lawyer ko nung gagawin nila o hindi. O kung kailan nila gagawin. Nasa kanila yun. Now that the parties are there, now that the impeachment court has acquired jurisdiction over the person of the Vice President, the parties are now there to make their corresponding and respective motions based on the interest of their client or position. Yes.